guys, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another review and try on of Complex Culture products. I did go ahead and pick up a couple of their eyeshadow palettes, and that is what I'm going to be reviewing today. But before we get on into this video, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. But other than that, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'll just do an unboxing of them first. I did buy these products with my own money, so this isn't like they didn't send me these products or anything, so. Alright, so I did pick up 2 of their eyeshadow palettes. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and unbox everything. So I have 2 palettes, and then they sent me a free complimentary mascara. So I'll be trying that out as well. I'll only be able to try one of the eyeshadow palettes out today, but I will show both of them and maybe do some swatches of both of them. So everything always comes really well packaged. Alright, so like I said, I picked 2 palettes. I chose 2 palettes, so I have the full-time eyeshadow palette and then the full-time eyeshadow palette, the Party Edit. So both these, so they're both packaged. Alright, so packaging is very nice. Looks a lot like their Duo face products that I've tried before, like the Duo blush and bronzer and highlighters. So here's the inside of the first one. It's very pretty, like pinks and neutrals. So there's the first one. And then here is the second one. Got some neutrals with some gold and kind of like silvery shade over here. So I'm assuming this is supposed to be more like, I think this is the Party Edit one or whatever it was called. So it's kind of supposed to be like for a more like dinner cocktail kind of like looks. Kind of more like glam looks, I think. And I think this one's just supposed to be more like an everyday. Kind of like an everyday, because it has like labels over here, so like this is supposed to be for workwear, for like a brunch, and then this side is supposed to be for like a night out. So anyways, I'll do a couple of swatches from each palette. I'm going to try these shimmer shades. I really want to try the shimmer shades on this cocktail one. So there's a couple of swatches from like the cocktail party one. They look very nice, very pigmented. Alright, so I think I'll save the party one, like the glam one, for a different day. So I think the one I'm going to end up using is this one, kind of like the more everyday look. Because I don't know, this one speaks to me today. Oh, and also, I forgot to show you guys the mascara. So the mascara that I got sent, because at the time when I bought these, they were sending out like a gift with each eyeshadow palette kind of buy, and so they sent me, so I got a mascara. This wasn't like anything special. This is just like if you placed an order to buy an eyeshadow palette, you got this as a gift. So anybody could have gotten this deal. Alright, so this is the Executive Level Mascara, and this is supposed to define, lift, lengthen, volumize, and nourish. I do like the packaging. Kind of has like a curvy wand. Looks very nice. I will for sure try this out today. Alright, so let me go ahead and zoom you guys in. Alright, you'll have to excuse my frizzy hair. Today it's super humid outside, and when it gets humid outside, my hair goes poof. Alright, so I think the first shade I'm going to go into is this shade here, which is Tawny. Now, I don't know if you're supposed to like, I think they almost have it set up so where you could just like, I hope you guys are seeing each other, yourselves, ignore the camera. But I think they have it set up to where like, if you wanted to create a look, you would use all these 3 shades together, or these 3 shades together, or these 3 shades together. But I'm just going to kind of do my own thing. So I'm going to go into Tawny, which is this like tannish shade up here. And I'm just going to use that as my transition shade. Alright, so that first shade went on very well, very pigmented. I don't know, I kind of want to go into this mauve over here, but I don't know if I want to do a purple look. I think I want to go into this taupe shade over here. That's what the shade's called, is taupe. So now I'm going to go into that and put that all over my lid as well. I want to keep it pretty basic today. Oh my gosh, guys. Sorry if I sound out of breath. I'm telling you, this whole time I've been trying to film this video, I've had non-stop interruption. If it's not delivery people, the internet, well, he wasn't really the internet guy. The internet company, or internet people, ran a new line out here, and so a guy came to finally bury the new line because they put like a temporary line in until the guy could get here to bury a new one, so he showed up. Today is for real a Monday. It is a Monday when I'm filming this, and it feels like one. I've just been like non-stop answering phone, just doing something, but I'm back. And so far, I'm really liking this palette. The shades are blending out really well. Oh, I was going to tell you guys prices. See, I keep getting sidetracked. So I apologize if this video seems to be everywhere. It's because I keep getting interrupted and then I lose thought of what I was doing. Alright, so I wanted to tell you guys prices on this stuff. And it is so hot in here right now because I've been running up and down our stairs. Alright, so both palettes were $28. And then, of course, the mascara was free because it was complimentary. So $28. Not too shabby. I mean, that is more on the pricier side, but honestly, I really like how bougie these look. They look, you know, it looks nice. It looks like it's like a $50 palette, and it's not, so. Alright, so that's on. I am noticing that there's not really a darker shade in here for like the crease. Because I always like to darken up, not really the crease, but I always like to darken out the outer corner. That's okay, maybe I'll skip that today. Alright, so now I'm going to go into this shade over here called Champagne. And I'm going to place that all over the lid. Ooh, this looks really, really pretty. Oh yeah, dang, that is super pretty. You guys see that? That is beautiful. So I think I'm just going to keep the eyes super simple today. I don't even know if I want to put eyeliner on. Oh yes, that looks really pretty. So let me go ahead and just do the bottom lash line real quick, and then I'll be back to try out the mascara. Alright, so I just smudged out the bottom lash line, not really going to do too much. Okay, so now I'm going to try out the mascara, and I am really curious to see, that was confusing, I couldn't tell which was the top and which was the bottom. I'm curious to see if it does volumize and lengthen. I don't really know how well I like, I don't know if this is a travel size or something, but I don't really know how I like how short the wand is. I just don't know how well I like how short it is from the handle. You see how like, it's pretty short. And I always feel like that makes it harder to apply to the lashes because it's so close to your face. Like the little handle part is. I'm not a big fan of this wand. It's almost too big considering how short it is, like from the handle. It's too big, so it's making it really hard to get the bottom lash line for sure. Not so much the top lashes, but for sure the bottom. But other than that, it's fine. But like I said, I don't know if this is like a travel size or something, so this could be maybe not the full size mascara, I don't know. But yeah, other than that, I think it looks pretty nice. I'm actually really happy with how this look turned out. Very neutral, but it's very everyday, I would say. But yeah, there we go. There is all the products on. So let me go ahead and get my final thoughts. I really, really like this palette. I think this is a beautiful palette. And this is definitely one I could see myself using every day. I didn't get to use the other one out, but I'm assuming it's just like the other one, but more of like glam colors. I'll try to use this one soon. If you guys want a tutorial using this one, just let me know down in the comments. If not, I'll just probably try it in one of my next Chatty Get Ready With Me's, but it does look like a very gorgeous palette. I only got 2 sets of eyes here, and I don't want to wipe it off. Oh, I guess I should put some lip products on. Give me a second. Now I got some lipstick on so my lips don't look so pale. Alright, so what was I saying? So yeah, I really like this palette. Definitely think it's worth the money. Pigmentation is definitely there. You know, very smooth to blend out. Very pigmented. The shimmers, the one shimmer that I use work very fine. The only thing I wish that there was like a dark brown. But that's just a personal preference because like I said, I like to deepen up the outer corners with like a darker eyeshadow. That's just normally what I do. But I mean, I still think the look turned out really well. But yeah, so far, pretty happy with this. I think it's worth the money. Like I said, the packaging does look very bougie, you know, very good quality, and they always have everything very well packaged when it gets here. The mascara, I think, is okay. It's not my favorite, but I really just think the issue I'm having is just the wand size. It's just not easy to use, to apply. I smudged a lot, and I think it's because of the size of the wand. But the actual formula, I mean, my lashes seemed very lengthened, and I think I could build the volume up more. It was starting to get, like, my lashes were starting to stick a little bit, and I don't think I waited long enough to apply a second coat, so I think that's my bad. But it does look really nice on the eyes. I mean, I like it. So there you go, guys. That is my little review here. Yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments. Did you guys like the palettes? Have you tried their palettes? Let me know what you think of their palettes if you have tried them, and if not, what did you guys think of the ones that I showed you? But yeah, that's gonna do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I feel like this video is a complete mess. Like I said, I just had a lot going on today, and I kept getting interrupted. That's not no excuse, but I pushed through. Hopefully this is a decent video. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing these types of videos. But other than that, guys, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!